Assalamu alaikum, this is Shan Zehra. Today let's learn ways to say thank you. आज हम सीखेंगे कि आप thank you की जगह और क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं. The first one is I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I am. Instead of saying I am so grateful, you have to use contraction and it would be I'm so grateful. And you, when you say something, तो आपके emotion, आपकी tone, आपके expressions जो हैं वो उस gratitude को show कर रही हों. Like you can say I'm so grateful. नहीं, आपने कहना I'm so grateful. Okay, let's see the next one. Next one is I appreciated. I appreciated. Okay, the third one is much obliged. Much obliged. Okay, then we are having the so kind of you. That is so kind of you. Instead of that, you have to use contraction and say that's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. And it's been such a blessing. It's been such a blessing. And the last one is thanks for having my back. Thanks. Thanks नहीं. Thanks. आपको टिप ऑफ द टंग को बाहर निकालना है और फिर आपने इस वर्ड को प्रोनाउंस करना है. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks for having my back. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.